Hi everyone, this is Nilima Baji. This project is a Devloop project, which is like automating the SDLC. I will explain the problem statement here. So whenever a Jira ticket is getting assigned to a developer, he has to go through the series of steps until it's getting merged into a main branch. So that it's like for example, like he has to analyze ticket, he has to implement the code changes and write JUnits. Thereafter, he has to test the real changes with the real API endpoints. Then thereafter he has to raise MR, fix review comments, fix security vulnerabilities. All these are kind of routine tasks he has to perform on every Jira ticket. So as part of this agentic project, I have taken this concept of automating the entire SDLC. So it will help once Jira ticket is assigned to an agent, then it will take care of all the steps and it will perform until the code is getting merged. So why I have used agent for this concept is LLM call cannot do this because it's a stateful workflow. It has a hard dependencies, the code before tests and the green tests before MR and reviewing before approval. All these are like a kind of a stateful workflow, and along with that, for each state we need a different tools which will help you to perform the actions. For example, for a GitLab, to connect a GitLab, we need a tool of GitLab which will help you to create a feature branch, to raise MR, to push the changes, all these things, right? So that is where I preferred agents. Along with that, there is a feedback loop happens. If something breaks, if the build fails, then the feedback loop continues until the build is getting fixed. Coming to the architecture, here I have used Google ADK sequential agent pipeline with 5 MCP servers. Here total I have 10 agents with 5 MCP servers. Each MCP server will perform each task, like Codebase will help you to read, write files, and GitLab will help you, on GitLab operations. API test MCP will help on live HTTP verifications, and security MCP will do the scans and the safe versions. Finally, Jira MCP will perform the Jira related operations. Let's get into the 10 agents, what they will do in this project. First, we have an orchestrator agent which will classify the ticket, whether it's a front end or a back end. Then it will assign to analysis agent. The analysis agent will plan the changes. Then the developer agent writes the code. Test generation agent will write the JUnits, and integration test agent will test the live API. Then test doc agent will create a test document for an evidence that all is working properly. And then finally they will raise MR by the MR agent. The next step is the review agent will give you the review comments. Then fix agent will fix the feedback received on the review. Finally, the security agent, if any scans vulnerabilities happened in the code base, then it will fix the vulnerabilities and make the entire code base ready to merge state. So here I ran the one ticket like prod one which modified this many files and it wrote this many JUnits, and the live API also got called and tested, and MR is also opened. I will show you the changes. Here I have created one UI which will show you all the logs. That is when I ran the prod one Jira ticket, these are the agents ran, these are the logs happened, and even it creates the MR. This MR has the changes. Have you seen? These are the changes. It looks perfect. Then it saves like literally lot of time. If you see the pipeline completed in this like total this much of time for approving the things, 7 minutes it has taken for completing a one Jira ticket with all the proper end-to-end testing the changes of the live API. As part of this one, we have also incorporated the security, and these are the security measures we have taken. And for a deployability, we have to run this command which will help you on the deploying. We have a Docker Compose file in the project. I have shared that one, and while building this one, these are the learning points for me. And thank you for watching and the project demo. Thank you.